to another unboxing video, so I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. So, some of you may have known, back in September, I bought my sister a ukulele for her birthday because she's been salty ever since I got mine when our parents went to Hawaii the last time, and I kind of jokingly asked for one, and then my dad called my bluff and actually bought me one. She was mad that she didn't get one. So I decided to fix this wrong in the universe by buying her one. I got her this gorgeous, glittery, rose gold ukulele, and I fell in love with it the second that I opened it because I wanted to prime the strings for her, because for non-musicians or people who've never played a string instrument, when you get a brand new instrument, or even when you just get a new set of strings, you basically have to train the strings, because at first they don't hold the tuning well. It takes like a week or two for it to really you have to do it over and over and over for it to hold the tuning. So I did that before I ever gave it to her. And in the process of training the strings, I kind of fell in love with it because while it's not as nice as my usual one is, there is a very ever so slightly difference with the neck on it to where I have little girly hands, okay? Like, I'm not very big. I have small hands, everything's in proportion, and because of that, when it comes to more complicated chords, I can't quite make them happen, and I can't play the real jazzy songs I'd like to play a lot of times because of it, and that pisses me off. But I found on that one I could, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a mental note of that, because I might buy myself one of these one day. And then I saw it come down in price by 50% of what I paid for it. So between that and PayPal 4 and 4, boom, I did this. So she's here. I got myself the blue one. I know, I got her the rose gold. Had I not bought her that one, I probably would have gotten that one for myself. They did also have a glittery red one that, in theory, I really wanted because, like, Dorothy, Ruby Slippers, all of that vibes, we know, me and Wizard of Oz, Judy Garland, probably should have. But the blue one spoke to me more because it's my favorite color. So that's what I got. I hope it does not disappoint. I have not opened this to look at it yet. This will be my first reactions on camera as I open this. So, I'm really excited, guys. So it comes like this inside the box. So, lift it out carefully. Ooh, I see a little bit peeking through back here. I'm so excited! Oh my goodness. And if anybody wants to get one of these by the brand Kala with a K on Amazon, currently it's $119. Not bad at all for a concert-sized ukulele. So I definitely paid $200 something for the one I bought my sister like half a year ago. Not even half a year ago. Oh. This does not do justice to how beautiful this is in person. Oh my god. And because of the yellowness of the light, it's making it look green on camera, but this is like very turquoise, and oh my god. Oh, I'm so glad I got the blue one, oh my god. But now I'm also like, but imagine what the red one looked like. But I'm like, no, I'm only buying one. This is my third ukulele, guys. There's one my dad bought me. I bought one of the Danny Harrison ones when they came out, and now there's this one. I do not need a fourth. I say that now. We all know famous last words. I will probably still go back for the red one eventually, even though I'm saying, no. I'll stop at 3. I'm pretty sure my mom will kill me if I bring a fourth one to the house. Shh, we won't tell her. But anyway. Okay, so it comes with this little card here that says, wait! Before you get started, your ukulele may be out of tune. It is definitely out of tune. Strings need to be stretched and tuned several times in your first few weeks of playing in order to settle. Please see our tuning video. Yeah, I don't need that. I use Guitar Tuna, which has ukulele as one of the instruments on it for free. You just have to know where to click on it. Anyway, so we also have a few tags here. Get extra bottom end tone with Newbone XB Precision Engineered Nuts and Saddles from graphtech.com. Will change the way you play. I doubt that, but anyway. Trying to get these off here. What's the other one say? The other one's just a Kala ad. Known for quality and value, Kala has been building our reputation for over a decade. Our focus on the player and affordability have helped make Kala the best-selling ukulele brand in the world. With a wide range of styles for any level of experience, Kala has a ukulele for you. Free Kala app. Learn to play ukulele with the free Kala app. Includes a tuner, lessons for beginners to advanced players, chord and strumming techniques, and a variety of song tutorials. Okay, see, even when I bought my sister's, I somehow didn't notice that little tag with it. I didn't know they had an app. I might check that out. But yeah. So without everything stuck to it. And this one must be for the strings, right? Super Nile Gut, developed by Aquila. AquilaChord.com. Yeah, that's going to be for the strings. So let me just take that off of there. I do like to hold on to stuff like this. I did it with my first ukulele too, so I knew what kind of strings it came with, because I really liked what it came with. But see, this one has the little peg on the bottom where you could hook a strap to it. But it does not have one up here, so you'd have to get one of the ones that just kind of hooks around jankily around the neck or something, unless you want to, like, drill one in. I don't want to drill one in, so I just never use a strap, but that's what she looks like in all her glory. She is so pretty. Oh my god, this was such a good purchase. I'm so glad I did this. But you can see that it is, in fact, a little bit smaller than my other one, because look how much nicer my fingers fit on here. Which for certain things is great. For other ones, the other one's definitely better. It just depends what it is that I'm trying to play. But I'm like, okay, I like having options. You guys know that. So, oh, I'm so excited to play with this. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I did this now. Because, I mean, in the moment, it was very much a spur of the moment. Should I do this? Shouldn't I do this? I don't know. Do I really need to do this? No. But do I want to? Yes. And let us not forget, I have my Blythe doll that looks like me, and it also has an itty-bitty little blue ukulele, and now I match her even in that way, too. So, and the irony that I named my Blythe doll Jade, my green guitar I also named Jade, and now here I am with my blue ukulele that matches Jade's. And now I have the red hair to match her, too. Just saying, just saying. But yeah, oh, I can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. It'll probably be a bit before I can make a video with it, because again, I do have to train the strings. This is not going to be in tune yet. I just opened it, so I'm not going to strum it when it's out of tune, but you guys will see it soon enough in a video. So, anyway. That is it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not already and you'd like to click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya!